The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, stretching across millions of square kilometers and holding an almost unimaginable variety of life. Within its dense green canopy exist millions of species of plants, insects, fish, and animals, many of which are still not fully documented or understood. Even after centuries of exploration, vast regions of the Amazon remain scientifically incomplete, as if the forest itself refuses to fully reveal its secrets. And even the species that are known continue to challenge what we think we understand about nature. Among the most fascinating and mysterious creatures of this ecosystem is the electric eel, fish capable of producing powerful electrical discharges that can be used for hunting, navigation, and communication. Despite its name, it is not a true eel, but a type of knifefish with specialized organs designed to generate and control electricity. In some situations, these electrical pulses can be strong enough to stun prey instantly, making it one of the most unique biological weapons in nature. What makes the electric eel truly mysterious is not just its ability to generate electricity, but the precision with which it controls different electrical signals. Scientists are still trying to understand how its specialized organs coordinate these discharges so accurately within its body. Even more intriguing is how such a complex bioelectric system evolved in a freshwater environment with such efficiency. The electric eel remains one of nature's most advanced living electrical systems. Another strange and ancient-looking creature of the Amazon is the hoatzin, often referred to as a living fossil due to its unusual evolutionary traits. This bird looks almost prehistoric, with features that feel out of place in the modern bird world. Unlike most birds, it has a highly unusual digestive system that relies on fermentation inside a specialized stomach chamber, similar to the digestive process found in cows rather than birds. This unusual adaptation makes the hoatzin one of the most biologically unique birds in existence, and scientists are still studying how such a system evolved over time. While most bird species evolve toward lighter and more efficient digestion, the hoatzin retains this complex and energy-intensive process. This evolutionary path raises important questions about survival pressures in the Amazon, environment, and why certain species evolved in such unexpected directions. The third mysterious creature is the Amazon river dolphin, also known as the pink river dolphin, which lives in one of the most complex freshwater systems on the planet. Unlike ocean dolphins that navigate open waters, this species moves through narrow, murky river channels where visibility is extremely limited. Because of these conditions, it relies heavily on advanced echolocation abilities to sense its surroundings and locate prey. What makes the Amazon river dolphin especially fascinating is its intelligence and complex behavior within social groups. Researchers continue to study how these dolphins communicate, interact, and adapt to constantly changing river environments. Despite being known to science for many years, many aspects of their cognition and social structure remain unclear, leaving large gaps in our understanding of their behavior. Deep within the Amazon waterways, countless species remain partially documented or entirely unknown, hidden beneath layers of dense vegetation and shifting river systems. Some are only observed briefly before disappearing again into inaccessible regions of the forest. This constant cycle of discovery and loss creates an environment where science is always one step behind nature itself. The deeper researchers go, the more questions seem to appear. Another important aspect of the Amazon is how its ecosystem shapes unusual survival adaptations across different species, harsh conditions, competition for resources, and dense environmental pressure force animals to evolve highly specialized traits. These adaptations often appear strange or even alien when compared to species in other parts of the world. It is this evolutionary pressure that creates such extraordinary biological diversity. Scientists believe that many Amazon species still remain completely undiscovered, especially in the most remote and inaccessible regions of the rainforest. Some areas are so dense and complex that even modern technology struggles to map or analyze them properly. This means entire ecosystems could exist without human observation, quietly evolving beyond our current understanding. The Amazon is also home to complex interdependent relationships between predators, prey, and environmental conditions that constantly shift over time. These relationships form a delicate balance where even small changes can influence entire food chains. Studying these interactions is extremely difficult because of the rainforest's scale and density, hides much of this activity from direct observation. Even well-known species in the Amazon continue to surprise researchers with behaviors that were previously unknown or misunderstood. New discoveries often challenge existing scientific assumptions and force revisions of biological models. This constant evolution of knowledge shows how limited human understanding still is when it comes to large and complex ecosystems like this one. The rainforest itself acts like a living laboratory where evolution is continuously unfolding in real time. Species adapt not just over long evolutionary periods, but also in response to immediate environmental pressures. This dynamic process makes the Amazon one of the most scientifically valuable and unpredictable regions on Earth. Despite decades of research, large portions of the Amazon remain uncharted or only partially explored due to its size, density, and environmental complexity. Satellite imaging helps, but it cannot fully capture the biological detail hidden beneath the canopy and river systems. This limitation ensures that the rainforest still holds countless secrets beyond human reach. And perhaps that is what makes the Amazon so powerful as a natural system. It is not a fully understood environment, but a constantly evolving mystery that continues to reshape scientific knowledge. Every discovery reveals something new, but also exposes even deeper unknowns waiting beneath the surface. So the real question is not what we already know about the Amazon, but how much still remains completely hidden. Because deep within its endless green expanse, nature continues to evolve in silence, holding secrets that may take generations to fully uncover.